Welcome back to Plants Lanka. Today I am going to explain the medicinal value of clove. It is an important natural antibacterial drug. It is used in many fields including dentistry, pharmaceuticals and aromatherapy. Clove oil is recommended for inhalation in the treatment of sore throat, colds, catarrh, and inflammation of the mucous membranes of the mouth. It also helps in the treatment of any breathing problems, general weakness, and neuralgia. Clove oil also has antioxidant effects, which renders it a convenient and accessible source of natural antioxidant in food supplements and pharmaceuticals preparations. Owing to its potent medicinal effects, clove oil is an ingredient of many pharmaceutical preparations, ointments, and painkillers. It is also a substrate for the production of dental analgesic preparation in combination with zinc oxide. It is used to fill cavities in teeth. In addition, clove oil is included in mouthwash and gum liquids, toothpaste, and preparations for disinfection of hand. Clove oil boosts concentration and efficiency of thinking. In addition, it revitalizes, energizes, exhibits analgesic, and serves as an aphrodisiac. It's also a natural food preservative due to its antibacterial and antifungal effects. Clove is cultivated in the wet zone of the mid-country, that is in the districts of Matale, Kegol and Kandy. However, cultivation of clove is also being considered in the low country. Clove suppliers in Sri Lanka export a range of products to the global market, including the finest clove buds and clove oil to the global market. The country is one of the top exporters of clove to the global markets and provides nearly 8.5% of the global demand for clove wool fruits, buds, and stems, mainly exporting to India, USA, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and Germany. There is evidence that clove oil containing eugenol is effective for toothache pain. Do you know the common side effects? Topically applied clove may include erection problems, trouble having an orgasm, delayed ejaculation, itching, rash, mild skin irritation or sore gums, mouth irritation, bleeding or swollen gums, or tooth change after using clove inside the mouth. Versatile spice can be used to season pot roast and flavor to hot beverages and bring spicy warmth to cookies and cakes. Cloves are best known as a sweet and aromatic spice, but they have also been used in traditional medicine. Other benefits including supporting liver health and helping stabilize blood sugar level. Cloves contain fiber, vitamins and minerals, so using Whole or ground cloves to add flavor to your food can provide some important nutrients. Manganese is an essential mineral for maintaining brain function and building strong bones. 1 teaspoonful means 2 grams of ground cloves contains calories 6, carbs 1 gram, fiber 1 gram, but manganese 55% of the daily value, vitamin K 2%. Apart from being a rich source of manganese, cloves are only used in small amounts and don't provide significant amounts. Cloves are low in calories but a rich source of manganese. Some research suggests that the compound found in cloves might help protect against cancer. The eugenol found in cloves has been also shown to have anti-cancer properties. A test tube study found that eugenol promoted cell death in cervical cancer. Cloves have been shown to have antimicrobial properties, meaning they can help stop the growth of microorganisms like bacteria. What's more, the antibacterial properties of cloves could even help promote oral health. The compounds extracted from cloves were found to stop the growth of 2 types of bacteria and contribute to gum disease. Clove is most commonly recognized as a spice used for cooking, but it has been used for centuries to treat various health concerns. Some of these health benefits have been evidenced by research. Clove oil is perhaps best known as a remedy for toothache and dental pain. In a 2006 study of 73 adults, for instance, researchers found that clove-based gel was comparable to benzocaine, a local anesthetic, in its ability to ease pain resulting from injections in the mouth. The antibacterial properties of clove may help reduce oral bacteria that can lead to the development of plaque, gingivitis, and cavities. Diabetes. There is some evidence that clove may benefit people with diabetes or pre-diabetes. This is based on research that suggests that clove may help reduce blood sugar before and after eating food. Thank you.